But first, tonight, this weekend, Kansas City is playing host to one of its largest events since the pandemic began. Thousands of wrestlers are in town for a youth tournament, but it comes as the city works to lower its infection rate. The competition sparked outrage from some city leaders. However, the health department did approve it months ago. 41 Action News reporter Nick Starling takes us inside Hy-Vee Arena and shows us how they're working to take precautions and keep athletes safe.
Thousands of people from all across the nation are here at the Hy-Vee Arena for the Rocky Mountain Nationals Youth Wrestling event. It normally takes place in Colorado, but because of tighter restrictions there, it's taking place here in Kansas City. This is what a sports tournament looks like in 2020 during a pandemic.
It was a lot different with COVID regulations and everything.
On the mat, nearly everyone besides the wrestlers competing were wearing masks. We noticed most of the people inside were following the mask mandate. Some were not when they were seated. In this place, there's two separate floors for wrestlers to compete.
A lot of those kids were really good, and I just couldn't beat them.
Before coming into the arena, the wrestlers and their families are security checked and then get their temperature taken. The Hy-Vee Arena can fit more than 12,000 people inside, but for this event, they're limiting capacity to around 1,000 for safety reasons.
They let us know ahead of time that they were going to take every precaution with the temperature checks and the masks and everything. I felt like we would be safe as long as everyone followed protocol.
It's kind of sad to see, but as long as they're letting them wrestle, then it's fine with us.
Many traveled far to come here, as tournaments like this are rare right now.
In Texas, they aren't wrestling, so we have to travel outside of the state to get matches.
Despite COVID-19 concerns, the KCMO Health Department approved this event 3 months ago.
It wasn't an easy decision, but since we would actually have to change our order to prohibit it, we decided that no, it will go on. They will do these extra precautions. We will monitor it.
So they're going in pairs of two to check for any violations. On Friday, there weren't any. But for so many of these wrestlers and their parents, they say it's a risk that's worth it.
We don't want them to get sick, but this is a part of their life. Like, they've grown up doing this, so we don't want to take that away from them. They shouldn't be penalized for it.
Reporting in Kansas City, Nick Starling, 41 Action News.